they say it is a human right because everybody has right.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Because here, most of the young ladies here are getting married to old people.
to old people,
men.
that which is not good. This is
Ah.
neglect. Like young people that are looking for a young,
Mm.
like for their mates,
Mm.
and old people that are looking for their old people.
But here, old men, they are looking for young girls.
Old men that are looking for young girl, and
Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ngayon nga pala, ah, katatapos lang ng ulan. Nagpunta ako sa palengke, inabot ako ng ulan eh. Nung bago ako umalis, napansin ko na makulimlim. At nung pagdating nga namin doon, namimili pa lang ako, nagsimula ng umambon. Kaya inapura ko na yung pamimili at umuwi agad kami. Dahil meron din ako sinampay. Mabuti na lang nung pagdating ko dito, hindi pa naman nalalaglag do sa sampayan. Ang topic nga pala natin ngayon, tungkol uli sa kultura nila, sa pag-aasawa uli. Pasensya na po kung madalas ganun yung topic natin dahil yun yung madalas kong maitanong dun sa mga kaibigan ko dito. Dito sa lugar na to, merong isinusulong yung human rights. Yung sa pag-aasawa ng mga batang babae. Yung tinatawag na forced marriage. Karaniwang kasi pala dito yon. Madalas nga daw yung babae nasa eskwelahan pa, pag gusto nang kunin nung nagdowry, doon na lang susunduin sa eskwelahan. At minsan daw puwersahan pa talaga yung ginagawang pagsundo. Minsan daw tinatalian pa yung babae para lang makuha. Dahil nga dito yung pag-aasawa dinadaan sa dowry yan. Kaya minsan daw yung mga batang maliliit pa talaga, mga batang babae, pag natipuhan ng mga lalaki, kahit matanda na, pag napansin na may itsura yung bata, binubuk na yan. Kukontratahin na yung magulang, ibibigay na yung dowry agad. Lalo yung mga mayayaman talaga, yung mararaming baka. Madalas daw nangyayari yung ganyan. At pag dumating na sa edad yung babae na nagkaroon na ng monthly period, basta na lang daw kukunin yun nung mapapangasawa. Kung sa atin sa Pilipinas, madalang yung mga mag-asawa, halimbawa yung lalaki matanda na at yung babae batang-bata pa. Meron sa atin nun, pero madalang na madalang yun. Dito sa kanila, karaniwan lang yun. Kaya dito sa kanila, karamihan talaga sa mga babae, yung mga napapangasawa nila, hindi nila gusto. Swerting-swerte na nila pag yung napangasawa nila, yung bata pa at yung gusto rin nila. At ang nangyayari, marami sa mga babae dito, kapag hindi sila makatagal dun sa napangasawa nila, meron talaga mga nagpapakamatay. Umaabot talaga sa ganun yung iba. Maraming kaso ng ganun dito. Dahil yung ibinigay ng mga dowry ng mga baka, pinaghati-hatian na ng mga kamag-anak nila. Ang problema kasi kapag bumalik yung babae doon sa pamilya niya, obligado na ibalik din yung mga bakang ibinigay. Wala na nga pala akong trabaho ngayon kaya tumambay ako dito kay doktor.
yeah, Peter.
Hello doktor.
Peter.
No more job.
No more.
Paul,
Yeah, Peter.
have you noticed that billboard there near the corner on the main road?
Yeah, I saw it before.
The
They wrote it.
stop violence
Stop violence about against girls.
girls.
Yeah.
Why there is something like that?
The meaning of it is like to stop it shall end marriage. Like when the girl is to be posed to be married.
Mm.
Yeah. To stop early marriage. Like now in our country, some people they just pose a young girl to be married.
Really?
Yeah. When they are below 18.
So that means many young ladies here are getting
posed.
married are at around
Around
what age?
15 or 16.
15, 16 they already.
Yes. And which is not good.
Mm.
And even some people, some family, they pose their lady to be married when the lady is still in schooling. Yeah, which is not good.
Many times I heard that one that
Yeah.
the ladies are taken out from the school by
Yeah.
the husband.
By the husband. Like when, like for example, let me tell you this. Here in Rumbek, old people they are the one marrying a young lady. And
Old people, huh?
Old people. Like for example, you now you are looking for the young lady. Then you marry.
I'm old already.
You are old already. That means the lady is not interested in you because you are old. That's the main reason they bring out that law. Stop violence against young girls because it's not good.
A long time I've seen that one there. So this is what's happening here.
Mostly here in Rumbek.
Mostly here in Rumbek.
Yeah, it is happening every now and then. Now I think now they have a little change because of that. They say it is a human right because everybody has right. Yeah.
Because here most of the young ladies here are getting married to old people.
To old people.
men.
That which is not good. This is neglect. Like young people that are looking for young, like for their mates, and old people that are looking for their old people.
But here old men they are looking for young girls.
Old men that are looking for young girl and old women that are looking for young boys like me.
You remember that one, huh?
And which is not good.
Uh,
They said old people. The reason why many people admire the old people, they said old people they already established their life. They have money and even some they operate business somewhere and some has cars, cows. All
that's
these
why
things.
some families they prepare old men
Yeah,
than a young.
yeah. They say old men are good because they have everything, and which is not good to the young one because young one they are fighting for their right. Like you cannot be married by the one who is not your mate and who is not good.
How about you? If you want to get married,
Me,
you like the lady to be at what age?
according to my opinion, like if I want to marry, I will marry my mate. Like now,
18 years old like that.
yes, who is good. 18, that is my mate.
Yeah.
But above 18,
It's
no,
old already.
it's old already.
For in the Philippines,
Mm.
until 25 years old, it's okay.
25. When the girl is 25 or the boy.
18 to 25,
Uh,
at least 20 to 25.
But here, like when the lady reached 20, I mean 18 years, it shows that the lady is already old. It's old.
It's old already.
Yeah.
There in the Philippines, it's just the start of the becoming a woman.
The
18.
first man, special man.
No, the monthly period starts at 14, 15 like that. But I mean, there is what we call the debut for the ladies. It is when they reach 18 years old.
But for us here, when the lady is reached like 16, it determined that the lady is already old. It's already adult.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bago nga pala kami dumiretso sa palengke, ubos na yung pera ko kaya nagpapalit ako ng pera ng dollar. Ang palitan ngayon, yung $100, 610,000 na. At yan na po muna sa ngayon mga bayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo rin yung shinare ko ngayon. At maraming salamat po doon sa mga laging nanonood ng mga ina-upload ko.